What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the bobber. Oh, she wants to say it herself. Oh, shit. What is going on, YouTube? Oh, man. Can you guys believe it's July already? So much stuff going on. SCMM, bring it home in just a couple months away. Like, we are right there, guys, for some fun. Oh, this road sucks. That was a good one. Corbin seat, I thank you for everything you did there. Damn. All right, sorry, guys. But can you believe it's July? Oh, man, it's crazy. Okay. So, today's topic, groups for YouTube in the motovlogging community. Okay, so when I started motovlogging, I was following the Indian motorcycle world, created by Dazzle Rebel Rides, and you know, Open Roader Chris found my channel and gave me a little share, and Dazzle inducted me into the Indian motorcycle world, which was amazing how fast that happened, and they found me, and you know, I couldn't be more thankful because I was already watching their stuff, and I couldn't get enough, you know. So being a part of it was fantastic. And what's funny is, you know, we start motovlogging and it can be like a really solo thing. You know, I'm out here by myself right now, you know, doing motovlog stuff before I go to work. So it gets to kind of like be a solo thing, but at the same time it becomes this huge thing. I mean, I got something in my backpack from the two Kiwi riders in New Zealand. When you really think about that, a year ago I wasn't even motovlogging and I didn't know them, and now I'm like, I can't wait to go out there and ride with them. And everybody, like, there's so many people, I can't even mention everybody. And I get to meet a lot of them this year with all the events. But, you know, we have the Indian motorcycle world, which I am a super proud, humbled person to be a part of that group. Those guys are fantastic. And gals. Ozzy, you're hilarious. And, you know, along the way, is this one? Yeah, I think, no, this isn't it. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find the route the guy took us on last time. I will find it. I think that was it. Alright. Well, and then you got, okay, so I'm doing the whole Indian motorcycle world thing, and a little bit along the way, I find a video by Dirty D's. And that video was #support. And it was this amazing thing. Like, some people thought it was a follow for follow, which, you know, some people may have took it that way, but that's not what it was. And it was just starting a community, starting a group of people. And I couldn't be more happy, because that's how I ended up finding the Kiwi riders. That's how I was following Iron Cross Racing and Dig and all these guys, you know, Roll Tide 530, Dave and Angela, like all these people along the way through support, which the Gear Raven, fantastic job on the MVC, because looking up #support wasn't like this easy thing for, you know, bringing our community only together. So the support MVC, if you guys haven't seen that, #support MVC. So #support motovlogging community. Look at that. Please hold. Always got to get a photo opportunity in, right? I've been wanting to do that since the demo ride from Indian Redlands this last go around. Now, back on topic. That's probably another good shot right there. I'll give that one next time. The support MVC, just an amazing group of people. If you haven't done it, hashtag it, go look it up. It's on Instagram, YouTube, and it's bringing a lot of good people together. if I remember correctly, I think it might have brought together the Braaap Town crew, which is another great group of people out there with Stevie TV, J-Mac, Knuckles TV, Skid Pig, and Touring the Midwest. Lots of great channels and people. Just really, it's the people more than the channel coming together and sharing this great opportunity and sharing some really cool stuff with us. And you know, we can't forget the new group, the Momma Mafia. These ladies are doing some awesome stuff, and I know they got great stuff coming up, and I'm super excited to be there to be able to see it and share all these, you know, exciting moments with everybody. There's some gorgeous houses over here. I'm getting a little distracted. But I just wanted to stop and talk about this. If you guys haven't seen some of these amazing groups, you're missing out. You should go check them out. Like I said, myself, you know, the Indian motorcycle world and everything that we're trying to do, I'm super happy to be a part of this group with these guys, and I really call them genuine friends. And along with that, it's hashtag support MVC. Like a lot of you guys, like you know, I can't wait to meet you guys and hang out and chill. Like, we don't have to be in one group only. Like, that's another thing. Like, that's why I like the hashtag support so much, is it includes all of us. You know, it's like a circle. There's no end. It just keeps going. If you guys haven't seen, I now pronounce you Chuck and Larry. That's Rob Schneider's part. Like, don't take it too serious. It's just meant to be fun. Oh, sad I gotta say that. America. Alright, you guys. Well, like I said, I'm off to work. Getting in my weekly video here. And, ooh, maybe another one. I don't know. We'll see. Oh. This road's terrible. Oh man, good to see our tax dollars at work. So guys, if you got some free time and you have not seen those groups, please go check them out. If you got time, you know, there's a lot going on in the hashtag support MVC, so I don't think you'll get bored. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. Like I said, check them out. If you're new to the channel, hit like, hit subscribe, hit dislike. I don't know what you want to do. Did you like my video? Or hey, just leave me a comment, say hi, let me know if you've checked out those channels and all that fun stuff, so other people can read your thoughts too, and we can get the word going. Alright YouTube, stay safe, stay classy.